We gonna pull over right up there. But hurry. Catch the thing.
We're gonna run, y'all. Look at the lake.
Sometimes it's two-sided out here. Like now,
We got people eating down there. Caught them in 4K. Oh yeah. And then all of them really good. Had to get back in the whip, y'all. I had to hit a lick, y'all, real quick. Skirt off. But yeah. Y'all smash that like button and subscribe. It's free. Where?
it's over there in the front.
We'll go back.
Oh yeah, this was where it was at. We at the Bulls Arena, the United States Center, the United Airlines Center. We're gonna turn around and go look at. Oh yeah, we on Michigan Ave. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy working over there. Yeah, my boy Eduardo. Oh yeah, we got Toomey. We got over here too. We got Loft. Let's see what else we got. Zara.
We got cheap stuff in that Zara.
Oh, we got cheap stuff in the Zara if y'all want. You know what I'm saying? Try to flex.
Tiffany.
You got Tiffany. You got big old Tiff over there. You got Tiffany. And we got Neo. What is it? Neiman Marcus. Ooh, look at this right here. We got the daggone castle over there.
Oh no, it's like the oldest church.
We got the oldest church.
On your map.
Ooh wee. And we got the water tower place.
No, the water tower is the tallest building. That's it.
That ain't tall.
No, see it behind it.
What?
Is that it?
They only got two little things at the top.
See it over there?
Downtown Chicago. We going through the tunnel. This is a short little tunnel. About to go to South Michigan Avenue.
Look at that over there. Look at
City.
Oh yeah, we in the
In the city that always get litty. We done seen a dude in a ski mask, and we didn't look no way in his direction.
Then you have a lot of this where some overhang over.
So they have a subway too?
We got the subway overhead. Well, the train overhead, but it look like it go down too sometimes. Ooh!
Straight. They don't take that handicap out of there. Something.
Caught you. I seen you over there with the other lady. I caught us behind.
I mean, you want that tree out of there? Can you take the tree off too? Look out.
the little tree.
We in downtown Chi, baby. Trying to know about that downtown Chi of the Windy City.
Take the tree off, please.
Take the little tree
The
off.
city of no, that's
Windy
Philly.
City.
Philly is the city of
of
brothers. Yeah. But we in the
Philly.
Windy City. It ain't that cold, but it's cold. We had a little drizzle. The pretty lights, they got it lit up.
Christmas tree.
Chicago Preds, they suck. So we don't got that many Bears fans. The Bulls, they still suck. Oh gosh. My chauffeur, he messing up right now, but
Wow.
because he not giving me good quality and running me off bumpy roads.
You're the main road.
But golly, these daggone buildings is tall.
This is a business mecca.
All right, we need to go over there,
Wait, Mom,
to that
so
Chase.
if you rob this bank right here, they definitely have cash inside.
Yeah, what you think?
I'm saying they got a vote.
Yeah.
With probably like over 2 million in there.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I'm finna scope it out on some Lester stuff.
All right, go ahead, do your thing then, player.
Man, call Lester.
All right, see Lester.
Set it
See,
up.
what's Ham, Lester?
Set it up.
What's Ham, Lester?
What's them?
Lester said, what's Ham? What you got? What you got going on?
What I got going on? Man, we need to set up this big score downtown Chicago.
How much? Lester say he ain't going over. If it ain't no bag, then he ain't going.
Man, it's definitely a bag. Take a look at the chase.
There it is right there. Y'all hitting the lick? Y'all going with him?
North.
Look how the building is made on an angle. It's the only building in the city and the world made like that. You didn't see it, huh?
No. Tell a chat what you talking about.
The chase that's over there, it's built on an angle, so the
They done
walls
with
are not
that.
straight. It's kind of built like that. If you can see my hand, that's how it's built. Oh, look! They got vendors.
Oh, we need to go over there to them
Yeah,
vendors.
we can go tomorrow.
Ain't no tomorrow.
Oh, you mean the next day?
No, I mean right now.
No, it's closed.
Shucks. This look like daggone New York City right now.
Yes,
Without the
it's,
traffic.
No, it's Broadway.
Well, we need to head over there. I remember the last Broadway
Mimi
one.
looked up some shows for
They have
y'all.
shows?
Yes.
We like the Broadway.
Yeah.
Nah, that Broadway whenever we went to New York
Oh,
was
New
lit.
York was
The attendant. What was it?
Yeah, we went to go
Hey,
see
can
it.
you edit your the way?
Look at the House of Blues.
We in the city, y'all. The House of Blues.
This is Lake Michigan.
Wait, 5 more seconds.
This is Lake Michigan, y'all. We at Lake Erie.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We just crossed the House of Blues.
We're waiting to get in. Look.
Where they at? Look at y'all.
Dang.
Golly.
Look on your phone. The House of Blues. Who's playing tonight, yo? That's how you'll know.
Larice and them.
I've eaten right there. It's good.
She eating over there.
We need to turn back around and go down the street with the lake on it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody?
Whoa! Yeah.
Look at him talking crazy.
Today is the 23rd.
Oh, we can't even see the lake. Well, you need to bust that right.
That's what you think I'm doing.
Sorry, y'all. My
That's where
chauffeur,
I
he ain't
stay,
cutting
right
it.
up in
He better get fired.
Man, look.
My daggone chauffeur ain't doing nothing,
anytime
man.
you want to get drove around, top flight chauffeuring, hit me
During
up.
the day, they have tap dance, like street
Street
artists.
dancers, yeah. Street
But you
performers.
should go, I think.
Where the singers at? That's what I want to know. I want to see some good sing. I want to hear some good singers.
No, Wabash.
What, man?
Come on, chauffeur, bust the right.
Y'all could have
Stop
pulled on
speeding.
the side, and I could have went. Y'all could have went
Shucks.
down there.
Well, I'm not getting out. Y'all said we're gonna spin around and spin.
Look at the west. Ooh, look at the circular.
See, you gotta
Ooh.
look over there to see. Look at
Another
Chicago. They go to the Broadway thing too, huh?
Another chase?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if y'all haven't been to Chicago yet, y'all need to come check this out. It's something to see. You can have dinner on the daggone lake,
Under this bridge.
and you can go.
You might as well get out and go get the content right quick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Be right back.
You better hurry up before the light turn green, boy.
We gonna pull over right up there, but hurry. Catch the thing.
We're gonna run, y'all. Look at the lake.
Sometimes it's two-sided down here. Like, full screen.
We got people eating down there. Caught them in 4K. Oh yeah. And then all of them really good. I had to get back in the whip, y'all. I had to hit a lick, y'all, real quick. Skirt off. But yeah, like I said, they had those people down there that was eating. You could eat on the lake.
Do y'all want me to
Real
drive
chill
y'all
vibes. RPM Seafood. There y'all go see right there.
You need to see it.
RPM
Right,
Seafood.
y'all just said we coming
Y'all
back
get
tomorrow.
all the seafood. Hopefully their seafood is good as New Orleans.
We coming back tomorrow morning.
Shout out to all my
What is that?
All my New Orleans that know about good food.
The Flight Club, is that not, what's his name?
That's shoes.
Place?
Flight Club?
That's shoes, huh?
What the? We got a shoe.
Oh, they got Flight Club. Lord.
No, they really do got Flight Club. That's crazy. Now that's crazy.
Got everything. What is that over there with the...
Wait, they really got the shoes in there?
Bro, it's a
Mior de Teen.
What? On the
Mior de
water?
Teen said, I ain't playing with y'all. I got y'all on the daggone. Above the Britannica. Below the Britannica.
It's a,
They got Fire Chicago School.
Chicago Cut Steakhouse.
With the Chicago Cut Steakhouse. And the daggone Riverwalk.
So what it is?
Oh, that's a bridge. My bad.
North Michigan Ave.
North Michigan Ave.
When you saw Michigan,
Again, statistician.
it says Chicago's the third largest city in the United States, has 1,397 completed high rises, 55 of which stand taller than 600 feet. The
Okay.
tallest building in the city is
Look at
the
this right
Willis
here. Look
Tower,
at these motels right here.
formerly the Sears Tower.
This is McDonald's?
Yeah.
All of this is McDonald's?
This is McDonald's
The
right here.
second-
This
Are you
they
joking?
drive-through. Lord.
What?
Lord, this is a McDonald's right here.
Oh, dang.
Wow.
You see the arches
Wow.
up there?
New Orleans.
Can you see behind my head?
Yeah, it's getting blurry. I'm trying to.
Our city.
Hard Rock Cafe.
You can't connect.
Nothing.
If y'all, any of y'all want to go to the church, you know what I'm saying?
Water tower. It's where the Chicago water was. They told me.
This is where the Chicago water was. It's daggone water tower. The water department. But if any of y'all want to go to church, I know some of y'all need to be saved.
That ain't church.
Oh, well, the church closed now, y'all. It's too old for y'all. Look at H&M. You know what I'm saying? You got your H&M. That's my store right there. They got the what? Look at the 900 right there.
Now they said we ate down.
Ooh, they got the downtown, Chamba, Beniana, the Weston, Omega, and the daggone Vacheron. Where the Gucci at? Oh, there y'all go right there. Y'all flexes, you know what I'm saying?
Main flexes.
Where the flexes at? Ain't nobody in the Gucci?
All right, now this is leading us up to the interstate, so we might as well slide on home now.
Oh yeah, we need to slide on home now.
This is Lakeshore. Let me get your head
first,
together.
and then she was like, "Okay, well, I can either give you your
I
money
call
back,
that
or I
4K.
can get you another shoe."
And
For
then
the
Mimi,
real
look,
one.
Mimi,
then
look.
she got the other shoe, and those were fake.
Mimi,
so
look.
I'm like, "There's no way these."
What y'all
shoes
think,
I'm
chat?
She getting.
Real. If she not
Hold up. Let me tell you something. She's getting shoes that's worth like $800 and selling them for $200.
Yeah.
So that's how you know they fake.
Yeah.
Because if they was real, then she wouldn't be trying to sell them for $200 because she gonna be losing out on money.
Trying to sell them for like $6.
Okay.
Yeah. She ain't no businesswoman. She's a con. You
She,
gonna read about her?
at the end of the day, she a businesswoman because she jibbing people around
But
here.
let me tell you something.
Because he
You
round
gonna read
Look at
about
her.
her in
Look at the
jail.
judge.
You gonna read about her in the jail.
Mm.
I'm talking about her. She keep this up. This is a habit.
The score is 22-10. What you gonna do about this?
Hey, I told you I was gonna win. You kept saying Buddha Big was sad, but he held him to 10 points. So hey.
Well, you had a wide open TD and your man just ran out again. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Bro, what are you
Look at
doing,
that.
bro?
No. Look at that. I just asked this man what he gonna do, and he just got burned on the daggone fly
He got
route.
burned.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Yeah.
I'ma juice the clock.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's salad. You got salad.
What you gotta say?
I'm about to, here's a salad.
What you gotta say to Savage Squad?
We can put them all on
What you got?
the salad.
Savage Squad. Oh, we should have did when we had our t-shirt.
You don't wanna be my personal camera
Oh
woman?
yeah, I will, cause that is just not gonna work. It's all wobbling and stuff. You got it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Thank you.
You sure?
Now you gonna be did all this and missed it.
I'm gonna tell one last time we talked to Granny.
You don't talk to me.
Well, Granny, look, I'm out here working. I'm just, no, but like, like, you know what I'm talking about, like in school and
You know, Granny, she all loud and she want to know everything. Oh, did I make it to Chicago? I told her I was leaving
They go with
yesterday.
these long pieces.
You hear me?
Yeah. And she checking the day.
Mm.
Granny, come on. Come on, baby. You got it, comb?
I look like Freddy Krueger. With that Ruger. Yeah. And you know, I be so fresh and so clean.
Sit down right there.
She yelling for.
Oh, you can't see your thing, huh?
Don't worry, we got this right here. That's on my bad boy Flip. I get on my mom's nerves, but she still love me though. Ow! I got somebody pulling my hair out my scalp just cause they angry.
That's so not the truth.
I just want to know which one of y'all mamas treat y'all like this. If you say ow, what you think they supposed to do?
Comb it out?
Well, my mom don't do that. No, they supposed to stop.
No. You combed it out.
But if this was the other way around, I'd be in timeout right now. The way she forcing this daggone stuff out my scalp.
Alright, you too.
Look how pretty you are. And you ain't letting the people see.
They all seeing it. They see the pain.
Oh, Granny, shall we?
Look, it's the same thing that I just had it. I don't know why they choose to. I still look good at it as I did before.
Man, Drew, come get your phone back, bro.
And we got mini me over. Look at this. Why you got that piece over there? Looking like Francisco.
What?
Right there.
Oh, what's up, Madison? Yeah, you want to FaceTime somebody, huh? I'm fixing to call. I'm fixing to call.
You want to be on the stream? Say what's up.
Nah, don't put me on the stream.
Look.
Bro.
What's up?
Oh wait, why it turned off? Hold on.
He practicing. Let you-
Call Mads.
Look.
Call Mads. I'm fixing to put your stuff on there.
Look.
Bro.
Say what's up.
Bro, what's good, bro? Follow me on Twitch if you want to see some of the best Madden content ever. And
He's a fake 2K grinder. The man hasn't hit 40 yet in 2 seasons.
that's because I don't be in the game all day.
Yeah,
And I actually wake up and do stuff every single day.
Like what?
Work.
I go to school.
Thank you.
Tell him what school you at.
No,
How many points y'all? What was the score yesterday?
we lost by 12.
And what happened? Nah, I don't need that. What happened?
Dudes couldn't guard their man.
And what did the coach say?
I don't remember. I'm not even gonna lie.
Well, this is the Cascade Skill Recruit. Stay tuned on this journey. He has more to come. All he needs is to get his head in the game and get that dog in him.
If I average 15 and 15, then I will not be there next year.
Okay.